Today's show has been about trends. Now we're gonna hear from a colorist who literally transforms hair into works of art. Check her out.
This is Ursula Goff. I'm in Wellington, Kansas, and I do weird hair. It kind of just started small with little streaks of color here and there. Now I do all kinds of weird stuff on anyone who will let me. When clients come in, they'll say, do what you want. So I'll still usually talk it over with them to make sure that it's something that they're gonna like, because they have to live with it. Some of the more over the top ones that I've done, it's like painting a picture. So I'll use hair dye, but I'm using a paintbrush. I will paint on a hair extension that you can just clip into your hair. If you have any weird ideas for your hair and you're not sure who to go to, you can give me a call.